Just been here 3 minutes and got my first one right through the top of the mouth. Oh shit. Been a while.
Been here what? 2 minutes. Clint, grab the fish. Grab his mouth. Motherfucker lucky Clint, man. Been here a couple
Well, I'll
minutes.
get him. This is a little guy.
Been here a couple minutes. It's a nice sized fish, Clint. It's nice.
Take a photo of that. Might be the only one. All right, buddy. Thanks for the entertainment. All right, so you know.
Got him?
Nah, just making a fishing video for a minute. See how it looks. I could look at my phone and see, but pretty wide angle view I got going on, so it should see me.
So how many miles it go? Like, what speed? Do it keep it at its own speed, or you put a speed on it?
I adjust the speed, 1 through 10.
But no matter what speed it on, the motor still that quiet?
Yeah. No, it'll get louder as faster I go. I got it on 4 right now. I feel like something's gonna happen here. Now maybe I can point it in a different direction. Yeah, this should be good spots for fishing right here. By this grass. I hear some weather off in the distance, but I think we're good today.
Yeah, it's about 2, 3 o'clock. They said it's supposed to be real bad.
Yeah, we'd be about done by then.
go that high?
See what you can do there. I'll wool up the boat. You got it?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, why does this keep snagging? Not a professional fisherman. Caught one already today though. But this thing keeps holding up in one spot. I might try another one of my... Oh, I forgot I took out my water right there.
He's got a little speaker here.
Yeah,
we got a
hook up
radio
with
on.
Bluetooth. You could do Bluetooth right there.
I got a 12 pack.
I had some that wrap around the post below your seat, but it went off. I had a leaning post on there with a taller post.
Just put it back in.
For now.
I gotta pay attention.
I got 4 waters too in
I'm
here.
trying to go over there, fellas, and this thing's failing me.
You forgot how to drive it?
No, I'm just not paying attention.
See, I have one of those.
Oh, I feel some raindrops going.
Yeah, I got one of those seat pole thingies, and I fucked around too long before I decided that it wasn't going to work, and now they wouldn't take it back to Walmart. So.
Oh, I'm still recording right now.
Yeah, I know, right?
That'd be cool to see on the TV how it looks. Just looking at my back, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, a couple bicyclists just went by right there. Try over here, T. I try to get on the edge, yes,
Yeah.
of all that grass. That's where they be hiding. Like I said, the bass like the shade, but today is very overcast, so they're going to be anywhere right now today. It's about finding the depth.
Not like you're not fishing for squirrels, Tristan.
No, I know. It wasn't too far. I didn't try to go that far.
Get out of this.
Say what?
You don't fish?
I got terrible luck with fishing, dude. I get mad, and then I say fuck it and just sit there and drink. It's easier.
I've never seen someone fishing right here when I'm going by on the trail.
It's probably a great spot, really. It looks like a fantastic spot to catch a nice bass.
Yeah, right under that bridge right there where I cast. I got a frog Texas rig, so it's staying pretty close to the top.
Don't hit me in the head with that shit. Hook me in the ear, Tristan.
I got it hooked. I got it rigged weedless, so it shouldn't connect through your ear. You see?
Oh yeah, I've seen one of those frog lures. They cast. It was on like a reel or some shit. They casted it across a little pond and reeled it fast, to where it kind of stayed on top of the water.
Yeah.
And a big fucking bass nailed that shit. It was probably a fake video.
Yeah, that first one he was using this morning skates across the top.
8.3 feet.
I want to just go a little bit closer. Come on, go. Can you go where I want you to? Pretty good current right here. That I just put on spot lock. It'll keep me right here. Or close. It'll try at least.